Hello, welcome to this short presentation of SECTRA. At my work, I have got SECTRA. Usually, I have a cut down version of PACS system, but where I'm currently working, we can get access to the advanced version of SECTRA that the radiologists use, and that's what I have. Last week, I was trying to view an image, and I accidentally come upon rendering the MRI scan with the ability to view the skin as well as the brain. This is a useful feature that allows rendering of both brain and skull, which helps in getting a visualization of pathology. I'm just going to take you through how I did this. You might already know, but if you don't know, you might want to try it. So now let's go to the next slide. Just to reiterate, this is not the standard SECTRA. This is the advanced version of the SECTRA that the neuroradiologists use, that I used to do this rendering. I'll take you through the steps that I did to create this 3D rendering. What I wanted to know was where is the ear and where is the ventricles. So first of all, I chose a sequence, MRI sequence, then clicked on MPR, which stands for multiplanar reconstruction. That gives you the axial, sagittal and coronal views. Then I clicked on the axial images, and then I flicked through to the axial image that was at the bottom of the region of my interest, which is below the ear. And then while pressing the shift key, then I moved the axial slices to go up until I thought I had covered the area that had the ventricles. And then I clicked on the 3D button, and now it created a 3D reconstruction. And I'll take you through the further steps in the next slide. So once I had the 3D reconstruction, then I clicked on clip plane. So usually it's a right click, and that it will bring up the contextual menu, and from that I chose clip plane. It allows you to clip. But before I started clipping, what I did was, if you look at the bottom of the screen, there will be an option saying color, and there are, or if you click that tab, you will see various presets of the settings, and I chose the skin setting, and so that gave the reconstruction with the appearance of the skin. And then after that, I used the clip plane to then clip from the top towards the bottom to see the ventricles and to see the relationship of the ventricles to the ear, the lateral ventricles to the ear. I think this is the first time that I played with this, and I can see how this could be useful. Obviously, when you have the 3D softwares in the neuro navigation systems, either in the stealth station or in the brain lab, they are more advanced than this, but I think it's still useful to have this in the PACS, that to get a 3D visualization of what you are looking in terms of the lesion in relation to the external markers. So we'll see what this process gave in the next slide. So this is what I got. Basically, you can see the MPR on the left side, and you can see that I have selected, the selection is the area within the green box, and then you can see that you can see the skin, and with the clip box I can cut down to see the ventricle. So here this way I can see where the ear is and where the ventricles are, and if there was a tumor or something, then I could also see the tumor in relation to the external landmarks. As I said, if you have the 3D softwares of Stealth Station or Brain Lab, they are far more advanced, but this is a quick and easy way of visualizing it if you have the advanced version of SECTRA. Since I had the advanced version of SECTRA, I really find it very useful, particularly for spine cases. And it has this crosshair hair feature and very fine controls. So if you can speak nicely to the PACS people to try to get a license, that will be good. And this is the first time that I have had the advanced version of SECTRA available to me. I hope you found this presentation useful. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me an email, and thank you for your kind attention. I leave you here with the two photos of the beautiful John Rylands Library in the University of Manchester. The images are from Country Life and Atlas Obscura. The libraries within the city centre of Manchester. So thank you very much and have a good day. Bye for now.